হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আমার চ্যানেলে তোমাদেরকে সুস্বাগতম। আমরা ইডিয়াম ফ্রেজের ক্লাস শুরু করেছিলাম। প্রথম পার্টে 150টা মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইডিয়াম ফ্রেজ এবং দ্বিতীয় পার্টে 150টা ইডিয়াম ফ্রেজ নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। এতে করে তোমাদের মেন এক্সামে ইংলিশ গ্রামারের ওপর অনেকটা বেস তৈরি হবে এবং সমস্ত গ্রামার ক্যালকুলেশন করে দেখবে অনেক কিছু শিখতে পারছো। চলো লেটস স্টার্ট।
Come off, to take off, cry down, to make little of, catch up with, to overtake, cry out against, to complain loudly against, cut out, design for, drop in, to visit casually, drop out, to fall back, to recede, to retreat, fall down from a higher position to a lower one, fall up, to withdraw, fall under, to come under, get along, to prosper, get on with, to live pleasantly together, get into, to be involved in, give in, to surrender, give over, not to do any longer, go after, to follow, go down, to be accepted, go without, to remain without, go by, to follow, hang about, to lawyer near a place, hang upon, to depend upon, hold out, to endure, hold to, abide by, keep off, to ward off, keep up with, to keep pace with, knock out, to win by hitting another one, to take two, to tango, both people involved in a bad situation, last true, kill two parts with one stone, to solve, let sleeping dogs lie, leave something, open the flood's gate, out of the blue, happen unexpectedly, out on a limb, to do something risky, over the top, totally expensive, push one's luck, trying to obtain more than what one has, reap the harvest, benefit or suffer as a direct, roll up sleeves to get yourself prepared, see eye to see, to be in agreement with, shot in the dark, a complete case, sink your teeth into, do something with a lot of energy, take with a grain, to doubt, accuracy, shaking on thin tight spot, a difficult situation, strike while the iron is hot, to act, take the plunge, take to nosedive, think the world of, admire someone, stand in a good street, take a back seat, choose to be less important in a role, wave a dead chicken, do something useless, whole of a time, enjoy a lot, wrap one's brain around, concentrate on something to understand, zero in on something, focus all attention on one thing, above all, chiefly on account of, due to, on no account, not for any reason, a furious assets, a faithful friend, the heel of Achilles, a wake point, an Adonis, a very handsome man, to assume a rise, to effect superiority, to stand aloof, to lead to the altar to many, an Apollo, a man with perfect physics, to upset the apple cart, to disturb the peace, apple pie order, a perfect order, take up arms, to fight, go to the war, to break the back anything, to perform the most difficult part, to backbite a person, to speak disguise about someone, he has no backbone, he has no will of his own, to cause bad blood, to cause enmity, bag and baggage with all one's belonging, to keep the ball rolling, to keep things going. Parmesan feast, imaginary benefits, beeline, the shortest distance between two places, behind one's back, without one's knowledge, behind the scenes, in private, to hit below the belt, to act unfairly in a contest, to avoid dust. A wet blanket, a person who discourages enjoyment in cold blood, deliberately, a blue stocking, a land, a fast blast, at first sight, a bolt from the blue, something completely unexpected, one's bread and butter, one's means of livelihood, to breathe one's last, to die, to kick the bucket, to die. Good wine needs no bash. If the catfish were it, if you think the remark refers to you, care killed the cat. Don't fear it and worry yourself to death, to catch one's eye, to attract attention, to take the chair, to preside a meeting. She is no chicken. She is older than she says, to pick and choose, to make cheerful and selection, to square the circle, to attempt something impossible. Every cloud has a silver thing. Close friend, mean, fist. Cut your cloth according to your cloth. A cock and bull story. To be cocksure, to be perfectly sure. To throw cold water upon anything, to discourage efforts of color, not in the usual form, to commit to memory, to learn by heart. Too many cooks spoil the broth, where there are more workers than necessary. Crocodile tears, hypocritical tears, by hook or by crook, by fairs or foul means, cut and dyed, ready-made, up to date, recent, evil days, a period of misfortune. Go to the devil, be off. Devil's bones, dice, devil's playthings, playing cards. Give a dog a bad name and hang him. Once a person loses his reputation, every dog has his day, sooner or later. To throw dust in one's eyes, to try to deceive. A white elephant, a useless possession which is extremely expensive to keep. To set the Thames on fire, to do something sensational or remarkable. A born child dreads the fire. One who has had a previous unpleasant experience is always scared of situations where such experiences are likely. A fish out of water, foul play, to jump from a frying pan into fire. All that glitters are not gold. To die in harshness, make hay while the sun shines, lock, stock and barrel. A miss is as good as a mile. To move heaven and earth, to exert all effort, one slow does not make a summer. If wishes were horses. তো বন্ধুরা ভালো করে নোট ডাউন করে নিয়ে পড়তে থাকো। জয় হিন্দ।